Hello and welcome to the Pranay Vankade Show. Running a startup is like a roller coaster ride. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. A lot of people share their inspiring journey of building a startup, but no one talks about the hard things about startup. This episode of the Pranay Vankade Show features Mr. Dilnawaz Khan, founder of PowerTech.in and Co-Design Labs, with whom I'll be discussing the hard things about startups which no one talks about. If you are running a startup or aspiring to be an entrepreneur and want to know what mistakes to avoid and how to survive the lowest points in your journey, then this episode is filled with some deep insights about the startup journey. Enjoy the show. So, hello, welcome to episode 2. And today we have with us Mr. Dilnawaz Khan. So, Mr. Dilnawaz is, is a subject matter expert of pitch decks, and he's also a founder and entrepreneur. He has founded two companies, Co-Design Labs and PowerTech.ai, and he is also an YouTuber and a podcaster. So, welcome to the show, sir. Welcome to the Pranay Vankade
Thank
show.
you so much, Pranay. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's powerdeck.in, by the way. But
Okay.
yeah, so yeah, I run two companies, Codesign Labs and PowerDeck, and yeah, that is what I do. I'm game.
Before jumping into the first question, so there are many things. So as we discussed
Hmm.
about it, a lot of people talk about the successful journey of startups, successful things. The most positive things are happening in the startups, and the what the uh, goodness of startup is that you'll get like a lot of people think that you'll get fame, you'll build a successful product, but there are many hard things about startup that a lot of people don't talk about. So today we are going to dive into this particular thing and we'll be discussing about it. So my first question to you is that what do you think are the biggest mistake young entrepreneurs or the entrepreneurs these days are making?
So not just these days. I think this was a myth right from, and I think you quoted one of them. This was so see, there's a difference between a myth and a mistake. So let me first talk about the myth or the wrong perception these first timers come with. So almost every so I have been active into the startup ecosystem from almost 10, 12 years by now. I have built one company, rather two companies before this, raised a couple of rounds of funds, failed that company, fought with the investor, fought with the co-founder, worked with an incubator, have spent quite a good time there, almost 4.5, 5 years. Then started another company and then another company. I'm running two companies right now. In my entire journey, I have spoken with almost more than 10,000 plus entrepreneurs and students, and actively work with 4,000 startups. So the journey has been fantastic, and the myth has been the same, right? uh, most of these students, mostly first timer guys who are young guys, again, if you are coming after job with certain experience, your mindset is different, and you come with a very different set of a baggage. Wherein if you are a first timer, if you are a young guy, 20, 22, 25 uh, student, or maybe 1 to 2 3 years, if you're passed out, you come with a very different mindset. So the number one mistake is that it's a shortcut to make money, to get famous, to become rich, which is absolutely wrong. Right? It takes a lot of time before you even start making money as a founder. Even initially 2 to 3 years, you will not be even able to withdraw your own salary. So
Right,
that
right,
is
right.
that is very very big thing. In fact, लोगों को लगता है that if I get funded, I will get money in my bank account, which is not the case. You don't, when the company gets funded, you don't get funded. Even if your company raises 1 crore rupees in terms of funding, you will still get that 6 7 8 lakh 10 lakh, whatever is the package defined by the investors, or whatever is the package uh, which has been whatever the remuneration has been defined in a financial projection sheet, right? So that is all you can take, right? That is
Right,
myth
right.
number one. So another, the second big myth is that there'll be no boss. In fact, I meet so many young guys, and their motivation to, and these haven't even started, but their motivation to start up is कि कोई बॉस नहीं होगा, या मुझे किसी के अंडर काम नहीं करना, वो जो वो होता है कि मैं अपना बॉस बनना चाहता हूँ, मुझे किसी के अंडर काम नहीं करना. And
Right,
I'm
right,
like, see, I am a, I personally, if I tell you about myself, I'm a very very firm believer of do what you love. But do what you love का मतलब ये नहीं है कि 10 बजे तक सो रहे हैं, 11 बजे तक सो रहे हैं, ऑफिस नहीं जा रहे, या ऐसा लग रहा है कि अच्छा 2 घंटा ही काम करना है. दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. एंड ठीक है, पब्लिकली अभी सब लोग डू व्हाट यू लव बोलने लग गए हैं. इफ somebody gets time or any of your listeners get time, scroll to my social media from 2008. I've been speaking about this since that time, and I do this thing a lot of times on my social media. I reshare my 7 8 10 years old post, that my posts have stood the test of time. So let me break this myth for everybody, that when you do a startup, your co-founder is your boss. That's where the first accountability comes in. Your investor, if you raise money, is your boss. That's where another accountability comes in. Your employee, आपके कारण उनका घर चल रहा है, you're accountable to them. So
right,
that's another accountability and responsibility. And last but not the least, your customer. And every customer is your boss. If you're see, so job का सिंपल है, आपका एक मैनेजर होगा, 2 मैनेजर होंगे, आप काम करोगे, आप वीकेंड पे भड़ास निकाल लोगे जाकर, ठीक है, कि मेरा बॉस बेकार है, ये है वो है, और आप यू विल चिल आउट एंड कम बैक ऑन मंडे एंड यू विल रीस्टार्ट दैट 5 डे 6 डे पीरियड. स्टार्टअप में ये नहीं होता है. And it will take you a lot of time to even realize that your customer is your boss, and even if he's calling you at 12 a.m. in the night, ठीक है, you will have to respond. So
right.
people come bring this myth along, and that's another problem. तो success, sorry, तो ये पैसा फेम वाला हो गया, ये वाला हो गया हमारा, क्या कहते हैं, this
About
that there's no boss, there's
yes,
no boss, ठीक है. और आई थिंक उसके उसके अलावा मोटिवेशन, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, आई थिंक अनदर अनदर पॉइंट आई कैन मेक इज दैट आई थिंक इवन द मोटिवेशन टू स्टार्टअप समटाइम्स इज रॉन्ग. And when I say this, I meet so many guys whose motivation to do a startup is because pictures देखा था तो मुझे भी लगता है मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, because सिलिकॉन वैली देखा था तो मुझे भी लग सकता है मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. And I'm like, यार, if you are getting motivated by these external factors, and if they make you believe you're an entrepreneur, you're not really an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur comes with a very different mindset, from the point of view that you identify a problem, you are passionate about it, you bring in the right skill set to solve the problem. I see so many guys trying to build a tech company without a tech co-founder. I see so many guys trying to build something in education without having a right tech guy on the board. So मतलब वो बहुत गलत mindset है. And I think it's been matlab India mein, if you see, it's almost 15-20 years, this matured ecosystem has been there, but still I think a lot of work has to be done in order to help young folks figure out what do they, uh, how can they, like, we can correct this myth for them, right? Just one more point before I'll move back onto you, but I'll pass on the mic to you. I think जहां तक mistakes की बात है, mistakes will be an integral part of the entire journey. I still make mistakes. So
yes, yes.
mistake is a very very integral part. कुछ common mistake होती हैं, we can go deeper and talk about them, but myth will kill you. It will
True,
waste your 3 years.
true, true,
Mistake
true.
will overcome eventually. ठीक है, कुछ आप सिली मिस्टेक करोगे, कुछ आप जेन्युइन मिस्टेक करोगे, मिस्टेक्स विल बी पार्ट ऑफ ए जर्नी. बट डोंट कम विद दैट रॉन्ग नोशन दैट अच्छा, इट्स अ शॉर्टकट टू फेम, सक्सेस, मनी एंड एवरीथिंग. या, ओवर टू यू, प्रणय.
True. So I've also been interacting with a lot of students and entrepreneurs. So I've been called for various sessions to take workshops on entrepreneurship or something, sharing my journey. So I've also seen this particular thing in students, that when I ask them, why do you want to start up, or why do you want to be an entrepreneur, so I just get lot of answers are actually similar, that they want to, either they want to be fame, or they want to be their own boss, or they just want to start it out just to make money. But
Hmm.
the whole purpose thing is there out there, like what is the biggest purpose, that when you are going down, when you're uh, getting demotivated, that purpose will hold you out, and that purpose will make you
Absolutely.
work every day. So that purpose is, I guess, is missing in a lot of students or the young entrepreneurs these days. So I guess, according to me, that is the one thing that I saw myself as well. And there are many things. So whenever the startup is in a stage where it is failing, so a lot of students or young entrepreneurs, so mostly we have a lot of young people in our country, and a lot of young people are starting these businesses today. So they when they start getting failed, so what they do is they just go and end it, but they don't understand the power of pivot. A lot of good companies actually pivoted their product to something else, and they actually made it something amazing. So my next question is that how to understand that this is the right time to pivot, and this is the direction you should pivot in, because it's almost hard. It's very hard to understand, and it's very hard to give up on your startup as well. So how to
Hmm.
understand this particular thing?
Okay. So before I answer the pivot part, let me add some piece of advice before we even
Sure.
start discussing pivot. If you are a matured entrepreneur, if you want to become an entrepreneur, do not love your product, right? Number one, fall in love with the problem. Don't fall in love with the product, number one. And don't attach your ego with it. These two things will kill your startup for sure. Okay. If you are doing a business, do it like a business. Don't do it like a family, right? And when I say don't do it like a family, you with a family you will have emotional attachment, so you will take stupid decisions also just in order to protect them or take care of them. But in a business, you have to be mathematical and logical. I'm not saying don't treat your founders and your employees like a family. Do that. Build a good culture. We can talk about culture as well, but be logical, take right decisions, and make sure the business survives at the bigger end. And I've seen a lot of people falling in love with the product कि बस मैंने ये बना दिया, मेरे हाथ से बनाया हुआ है, मेरे बच्चे जैसा है, and मैं इसको change नहीं करूंगा. And that is where they fail. So ये इतना what I'm forgetting the right word. इतना
They're not
I'm
being
not sure if
flexible with the idea.
resilient, हाँ resilient or stubborn, rather stubborn is the right
Yeah.
word. इतना stubborn नहीं होना चाहिए आपको that you
Right.
you
Right.
you're not at all flexible and you can't even navigate your path accordingly, right? Now when it comes to pivot, there are two ways you can pivot. So
Okay.
one is a very organic method of pivoting, which a lot of companies have done over the years, done over the past, wherein they started with something and they change into something which is more or less like a change of a business model, wherein they realize कि अच्छा ये नहीं चल रहा है, इसको flip कर लेते हैं, change कर लेते हैं. One of the
Okay.
examples is your Slack, right? It started as
Right.
a gaming tool and then it eventually became a internal communication platform, right?
Yeah.
Another example is Snapdeal. In 2008, if you and I'll quote this example, and I know people will laugh at it. In 2008, if you go and watch Roadies, Snapdeal was one of the sponsors of Roadies, and they were a coupon company. So the
Right.
idea behind Snapdeal was just a coupon company, and they will give you 10%, 20%, 30% coupon. And in 2010, I think 10, 11, when I was building my own startup, my own company, I also had a tie-up with Snapdeal, wherein my product was on the website in terms of giving coupons and discounts. I think by
Okay.
12,
Okay.
13, they pivoted and became e-commerce, and then they became a marketplace, right? So
Right.
they took pivots wherever required, right? Flipkart also started as an e-commerce and then kept on pivoting. So pivoting is a very gray area. You can change the business model, you can change the product offering, and you realize and you figure it out. Another thing I would recommend and advise to everybody, wherein you don't see a immediate problem, but you pivot for the long term, or you figure out a trend and you talk you figure it for the long term. And I'll give you an example. uh, and I'm not sure whether startup gurus will typically call it pivot, but I think it's also a shifting of a gear, or going around with the trend, or even you can call it a pivot, which is you see what's happening in the market and change your product positioning or product market fit or brand market fit accordingly. I'll
Yeah,
give you
it's
very latest.
adopting basically.
Huh. So I'll give you one latest example. And in fact, about this, I was talking on my YouTube yesterday when I did my live. LinkedIn was started in 2003 and started as a recruitment platform. If you look
Right.
at last 5 years journey of LinkedIn became more of a social network and a networking platform for professionals than a
Correct.
hardcore recruitment platform. I'm
Correct.
not sure you
Correct.
know about this or not. Yesterday, LinkedIn introduced, like in past 3-4 days, I saw it yesterday. LinkedIn introduced something called the creator mode.
Okay.
And you can
Okay.
turn on your creator mode. You can turn on the creator mode on LinkedIn. You can add your creator video introduction of a 30-second on your profile. You can,
Okay.
when you turn on the creator mode on, your uh, default button will become follow rather than connect. Your
Yes,
number of
I've seen that.
followers, will start getting displayed on top of your profile. And LinkedIn will also ask you to choose 5 specific subjects you want to talk about, and the line will come. Dilnawaz talks about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, you have to put it in hashtags, the 5 topics tags over there. So
Yes. So
yes,
LinkedIn has taken the entire shift onto the creator line now. And I can
correct,
assure
correct,
you, LinkedIn will become one of the very, very big players in the creators economy now. So I think there was no need for LinkedIn to do it. It's a billion-dollar company in itself. And I think LinkedIn doesn't need to shift gears or change the brand market fit, right?
correct,
But they could realize that the kind of people who are on their platform, and if when they're coming there, and the kind of content people have started producing and creating there, people are by default looking at LinkedIn from a very different angle, and therefore they will have to think creator first, then maybe professional first, if that
correct,
makes
correct.
sense. So that's also a beautiful example of pivot, or maybe changing the entire model according to the trends. And I think it's a great example which startups can learn from, and they should start thinking both short term and long term, and only that's the way to survive and be sustainable in the market today.
Okay, okay. So there are things, but as you said, in a specific word, so you need to understand the market trends and what are the things going into the market, and change according to that. So that is basically pivot. So a lot of students or a lot of entrepreneurs have this problem. So as you said that your co-founder is your boss, your investor is your boss, but a lot of students and entrepreneurs or these days starting up, so they are starting bootstrap at in the start, and most of them are like single founders. So one of the biggest challenge for single founders is that staying motivated all the time, and you don't have anyone to as your boss. You don't have a co-founder, you don't have an investor at the start point. So how to deal with that, how to stay motivated even when you are when you are a single founder? Because when you have a co-founder, you have someone to say that okay, we'll do this thing tomorrow.
Right.
Don't get
Absolutely.
demotivated. We'll do this thing tomorrow. We'll try this thing tomorrow. Either one of
Absolutely.
you. So for single founders, how to do that? How to take care of that demotivation and how to get motivated?
So number one, don't be a single founder. That's as simple as I can make it for everybody. It is not just starting the company, and I'm not saying there haven't been single founder unicorns in the country. Look at Ritesh Agarwal, look at Vijay Shekhar Sharma. There have been people who have built single founder companies, but I'll tell you the solution why they were even able to build it. Right, Ritesh was backed by Thiel Fellowship, right? So
Yeah,
look at the guys
Peter Thiel.
mentoring him.
Yeah,
Look at the guys mentoring him. Vijay Shekhar Sharma started Paytm after almost 10 years of, if I'm not correct, 10 or 17, some odd, big,
uh,
decade long number years of.
experience.
No, no. I'm saying Paytm was a product of 197 Communications, and he was
Yes.
already running 197 Communications for
Okay.
almost 10 plus years, right?
Okay.
So once
Okay.
you've
Yeah.
run a company for 10 years, you
Hmm.
one get the experience,
True.
second you're able to build the core team.
Okay.
So the idea here of a co-founder is, and maybe of a core team, is to keep you in check and you keep them in check, and there's distribution of power and authority. That is the broad idea. So if you are
Okay.
starting today, and this is where I get a lot of counter questioning from कि sir Ritesh ने तो किया था ना, Mark ने तो किया था ना. अरे, don't look at Ritesh and Mark today. You are
Right.
not
Right.
Ritesh and Mark. You did not got admission into Harvard that you think you will drop out and create another Facebook. Getting into
Right.
Harvard is a different ball game altogether. तो Harvard में तुम्हारा हो गया तो तुम जिंदगी में कुछ तो कर ही लोगे. So
Right.
let us understand. Don't. let us not use wrong examples to prove what we are saying right.
All right.
ठीक है. So number one, don't start as a single founder. That's the simplest tip I can give you, because investors, when you even go for funding tomorrow, have a very serious red flag when they see a single founder company. ठीक है. ठीक है, until unless कि तुम्हें लगता है कि मैं अकेला सब कर लूंगा and I'll be able to manage, कर लो, nobody can stop you, but advice is not to start as a single founder. Also, as a single founder, it will be very very difficult for you to understand everything, manage everything, run everything, even at a operational level. What if you fall ill tomorrow? What if you have a breakup tomorrow? What if some bad thing happens in your family tomorrow? You will mentally not be in a state to run the organization, and it's a very big red flag. And if you're a
All right.
funded company, it's a very very big red flag. So basic advice, don't start as a single founder. Second advice, if you still want to be a single founder, मतलब आप अगर, and again I know it's a very crude thing I'm saying, but आप अगर इतने बुरे हो कि आपको एक दूसरा तीसरा चौथा व्यक्ति मिल नहीं रहा अपने साथ काम करने के लिए, या आप एक कोर टीम नहीं बिल्ड कर सकते, lower down your ego, get a mentor or get an advisor, and get a mentor, get an advisor to whom you uh, can put yourself in accountability position, जिसको आप अपने
Correct.
आप को सौंप दो. बहुत सारे entrepreneurs को लगता है आई एम द स्मार्टेस्ट गाय. इफ यू आर द स्मार्टेस्ट गाय, माय फ्रेंड, यू आर in the wrong room. Right.
Exactly.
I'll quote an example here. Right. I heard this from one of the Amazon's HR, that the reason why Amazon became a $1 trillion company is because of Amazon's HR policies. I'm like, what the heck is this? कभी किसी कंपनी का ये नहीं सुना कि वो इसलिए इतनी बड़ी बन गई क्योंकि HR पॉलिसी बड़ी स्ट्रांग थी. And then I went into depth and realized that Amazon's HR policy is that we hire only leaders.
Okay.
We hire leaders and we empower them and we make sure they are able to get the job done for which they have hired them. So we hire leaders, we give them all the resources to get the job done, and they're out of it and they take care of it. So if
Right.
you
Right.
are the smartest guy, you are in the wrong room. ठीक है.
Exactly.
तो अगर आपके पास को फाउंडर नहीं है बॉस, गो एंड हायर अ मेंटोर, उसकी बात मानो. एंड मेंटोर भी वो नहीं होता जो आपके साथ 2 दिन बैठ के बात कर रहा है. आई थिंक वो बहुत बड़ा अगेन प्रॉब्लम है मेंटरशिप में भी. एंड अगेन इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट टैंजेंट एंड वी कैन टेक द कन्वर्सेशन, बट आई क्विकली जस्ट चिप इन कि वो 10 मिनट का बात मेंटरिंग नहीं होता. किसी सेलिब्रिटी से 10 मिनट आधा घंटा बात करना मेंटरिंग नहीं होता. एक अच्छा मेंटर आपके साथ 5 साल 2 साल 3 साल मिल बैठकर कंपनी चलाता है. You give him a report every month, and this guy either is a subject matter expert or brings some other sort of expertise on the table for you. It's a give and take. You give your
Correct.
startup
Correct.
to him, you give him sweat equity, you give him some money, he brings in the expertise, he becomes a boss, he controls your command, right? So
Correct.
get a mentor, get an advisor. If nothing else works out for you, third advice I can give you is go and be a part of some sort of a community, right? Maybe an incubator program, maybe an accelerator program. There's so many of them happening right now. This will give you access to a peer network, जहां पे you will
Correct.
again find like-minded people from the like-minded sector, from the similar sector, right? So same stage के लोग, same mindset के लोग, same problem areas के लोग, same sector के लोग, you can always create a peer group and sit and discuss around your problems, right? So this can be another solution. Now when it comes to motivating yourself or keep yourself motivated, I think I'm not sure whether I have that absolute correct answer for this, because स्टार्टअप में तो यू व्हाई डू नीड अ मोटिवेशन. मतलब मेरा इसमें काउंटर क्वेश्चन होता है, या काउंटर मेरा इसमें आर्ग्यूमेंट है कि मेरे से कोई आके बोलता है कि मुझे मोटिवेशन चाहिए स्टार्टअप करने के लिए. आई एम लाइक, you jumped into this on your own.
Right.
You were passionate about building a startup. You had the skill set to solve the problem. You were passionate about the overall problem. You identified the problem and you took this call on your own. So why do you need an external factor to motivate yourself to build this? If you're not excited about what you're doing, why even do it? So
Exactly.
at least
The why should be very strong, I guess, in this situation.
why short term में भी और why long term में भी.
Exactly.
आज मैं जो कर रहा हूं वो मैं क्यों कर रहा हूं, आई कैन गिव यू माय एग्जांपल. क्योंकि वो मुझे खुशी देता है.
Correct.
I make money when I help entrepreneurs. इससे अच्छा और क्या होगा. I make money when I go and talk, when I go and speak. This is what I've always wanted to do. So I am learning then I'm spreading the knowledge and somebody is paying me to do it. I'm
Okay.
actually living the ideal life I wanted.
Right.
So
Right.
मुझे
Correct.
इससे अच्छा और क्या चाहिए? Long run में my why is to impact 10,000 entrepreneurs or create rather 10,000 entrepreneurs in another company. We want to empower 1 million freelancers. So that's the long term why. So that will keep you motivated कि भैया वो goal chase करना है, goal chase करना है. But everyday level का why वो पता है क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So
Correct. Correct. Correct.
when you saw the problem, you created the solution, and the solution is basically driving the entire why. तो
Okay. So, sir, is this
मोटिवेशन क्योंकि जस्ट क्योंकि मोटिवेशन ना यार आई टेल यू पर्सनली स्पीकिंग मोटिवेशन इज अ स्कैम
yeah?
it's a it's a
I
it's a it's a it's a dopamine based scam industry उससे कुछ होता नहीं है
Yeah, exactly. So a lot of time these things happen that you get motivated for just 2 hours or 3 hours. Even if you listen to some big, even a
एग्जैक्टली
big person as well. So for example, you watch a video of Steve Jobs on YouTube and you get motivated for like 3 4 hours. After 3 4 hours, it's gone. But I guess what thing that drives people or make people
प्रणय
great is yes,
if it's lasting for you for 3 hours I would kudos to you
yeah,
for me it lasts for 10 minutes or 20 minutes
okay,
अगर कोई स्टीव जॉब्स का वीडियो देखकर 3 घंटे के लिए मोटिवेट हो रहा है ना
Hmm.
आई कैन अश्योर यू दिस गाय विल चेंज द वर्ल्ड
Okay.
तीन तीन घंटे कंसिस्टेंट मोटिवेशन तो आता ही नहीं है आई एम टेलिंग यू तीन तीन घंटा तो बैठ के काम नहीं कर सकते लगातार इतना इतना खराब अटेंशन स्पैन हो गया हम लोगों का
Yeah, these Zoom calls and everything that have
आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग अ
made
जोक आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग एज अ
yeah,
जोक
yeah, exactly. I
हाँ
got it, got
हाँ
it.
हाँ
So
हाँ हाँ
this particular thing used to happen, and so this lot of the young people who have grown up watching Sandeep Maheshwari's video, amazing videos, a lot of things, but not going into that particular motivation part. But I guess what thing lasts for long is called an inspiration that I say, uh, and it is the
यार
one thing that drives you.
इंस्पिरेशन भी नहीं बोलूंगा मैं सी एक होता है गोल
Okay.
एक होता है स्ट्रैटेजी एक होता है माइलस्टोन मैं बहुत टेक्निकल और प्रैक्टिकल बात करता हूं लेट मी यूज योर प्लेटफॉर्म टू गिव दिस टिप टू दी लिसनर्स राइट एक
Okay.
होता है
Okay.
गोल ठीक है देखो इंस्पिरेशन मोटिवेशन टैंजिबल नहीं होता द प्रॉब्लम इज इफ इट्स नॉट टैंजिबल ठीक है
Hmm.
you don't know where are you right I'll give you okay let me tell you my macro picture here right आप कितने अच्छे डांसर हो ये 5 मिनट में पता लगाया जा सकता है आई आस्क यू कि अच्छा नाच के दिखाओ 5 मिनट में जनता को समझ में आ जाएगा
Correct.
मैं बास्केट आई हैव बीन अ बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर आप कितना अच्छा बास्केटबॉल खेलते हो मैं आपको बोलूंगा बस इस कोर्ट के एंड से उस कोर्ट के एंड तक ड्रिबल करके आ जा
Hmm.
that 2 minute dribble can tell me how good of a player are you right
Correct. Correct.
you come and tell me I'm great at mathematics you come and tell me I'm great at computer coding I can give you a laptop I'll ask you to code a simple program I can within 10 seconds figure out the worst part about startup is that over the years you will not you don't because you don't have a success parameter defined for yourself
Hmm.
forget दुनिया क्या बोलती है मैं मिलियन बिलियनियर और 100 कस्टमर 1000 कस्टमर इंक्यूबेशन फंडिंग की बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ व्हाट इज योर सक्सेस पैरामीटर a lot of entrepreneurs don't define success parameter for themselves therefore कोई benchmark ही नहीं जज करने का कि आप अच्छे हो के बुरे हो तो
Correct.
आप इसी मिथ में जी रहे हो लगातार कि मैं तो बहुत अच्छा हूं in fact I
Okay.
don't know I was on YouTube or on some another podcast I was speaking and I said this thing to people and people were like सर आप क्या बात कर रहे हो ये तो बड़ी बड़ी भयंकर बात कर दी अब ये बताओ कि पैरामीटर बनाया कैसे जाए या हम क्या करें सो ये पता ही नहीं है लोगों को सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज एक होता है गोल एक
Okay.
होता है स्ट्रैटेजी एक होता है
Okay.
माइलस्टोन
Okay.
गोल होता है एक बड़ा ही टेंजिबल टारगेट इस साल
Right.
मुझे 1 करोड़ का धंधा करना है इस साल
Okay.
मुझे एक आईफोन खरीदना है इस साल मुझे मेरे पापा को आईफोन दिलाना है कुछ भी एनीथिंग विच इज टेंजिबली अचीव्ड सो आपको जब आईफोन खरीदना है आपको 1 लाख रुपए इकट्ठा करना है आपको एक करोड़ रुपए का धंधा करना है आपको पता है पर मंथ पर डे बेसिस पे आपको कितना बिजनेस जनरेट करना है उस गोल को अचीव करने के लिए आप एक स्ट्रैटेजी डिफाइन करते हो कि
Okay.
कैसे होगा 1 करोड़ की सेल्स लाने के लिए यानी 1 करोड़ की सेल्स तब आएगी जब मैं महीने का 10 लाख रुपए का बिजनेस करूंगा महीने का दस
Correct.
लाख रुपए का बिजनेस करने के लिए अगर मेरे पास 5,000 का प्रोडक्ट है तो 10 लाख डिवाइड बाय 5,000 तो इतने कस्टमर चाहिए इतने कस्टमर अगर अगर चाहिए तो मेरा 10% कन्वर्जन रेशियो है। यार
Okay.
बिजनेस तो नंबर्स ही है ना, मैथ्स ही है ना बिजनेस तो।
Exactly. Exactly.
बिजनेस तो मिथ तो है ही नहीं, मोटिवेशन तो है ही नहीं, धंधा है, नंबर्स है। इतना पैसा
Yes.
आएगा, इतना पैसा लगेगा, इतना पैसा जाएगा, इससे इससे बाकी सब इसके ऊपर चलता है। ठीक है।
Correct.
तो
Correct.
जब आपको पता है कि आपका 10% कन्वर्जन होता है बिजनेस के अंदर, तो आपको कितने लोग को रीच आउट करना है,
Right.
या कितने लोग का रजिस्ट्रेशन चाहिए, उतने का रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के लिए कितनों तक पहुंचना पड़ेगा। तो आपका
Correct.
फनल डिफाइन हो गया, तो बन गई ना आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी। आपने बैक टेस्ट तो की नहीं, जब अब आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी इन प्लेस नहीं है तो गोल कैसे अचीव होएगा आपका। और उस स्ट्रैटेजी को इन प्लेस रखने के लिए आपको माइलस्टोन डिफाइन करना है कि हर 7 दिन में बैठ के मैं मेरा कैश फ्लो चेक करूंगा। अब आप मुझे बता दो, जितने लोग आपका देख रहे होंगे, कितने लोगों ने अपने कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट बना रखे हैं,
Not a
और
lot of people.
कितने कितने लोग अपना हर तीसरे दिन में, हर 7वें दिन में कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट मेजर करते हैं? करते ही नहीं है। तो व्हेन यू डोंट हैव अ कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट, दैट मींस व्हेन यू डोंट हैव अ सक्सेस मैट्रिक्स, when you don't have a, or which is a milestone which I'm saying, right? So you, which if you don't have a success matrix, so success matrix बोल लो, key KPI बोल लो, which is key performance indicator, milestone बोल लो, एक ही बात है, कुछ भी बोल लो। स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है, गोल नहीं है, स्टार्टअप कैसे चलेगा भाई?
True.
और
True.
यही तो
True.
मेंटर करेगा। तो जब
Yes.
आप मेंटर के पास जाओगे, एडवाइजर के पास जाओगे, वो जब आपको तीसरे हफ्ते, चौथे हफ्ते, तीसरे महीने, चौथे महीने, जो आपको वापस से आके बोलेगा कि बॉस व्हाट द हेल इज रॉन्ग विथ यू, योर मंथली टारगेट इज 2 लाख रुपीज एंड नॉट इवन अचीव 50,000 रुपीज, व्हाट द हेल इज रॉन्ग विथ यू, तो फिर शर्म से मरोगे, तब जाके काम करोगे।
True.
या मॉडल
Correct.
बदलोगे, तो जो पिवट का बात आ रहा था,
Yes.
वो
Yes.
वो
Got it.
वो फिर से कनेक्ट कनेक्ट हो जाता है। दिस इज अ कॉल बैक।
Yes. Yes.
आई होप
Yes.
दिस
True.
मेक सेंस। सो मोटिवेशन इंस्पिरेशन से कुछ होगा नहीं, इट विल जस्ट बी अ डोपामिन पुश टू यू, कि अच्छा लग गया मुझको, मैं स्टार्टअप कर लेता हूं। बट वो जो बैठ के जो उसमें पिक्चर्स में भी एक लाइन है ना, सर झुकाओ काम करो,
Right. Right. Right.
वो दैट इज वेयर द स्टार्टअप्स आर बिल्ट।
Right.
That is the
Right.
most difficult part. That is 99% of the work. That 1% is what people see, and that is what is wrong with people.
True. We so most of the time these young entrepreneurs and the students define this success through exceptions. So Mark Zuckerberg, Ritesh Agrawal, as you talked about. So these guys are exceptions. I would say who have started early in their stage and have become
Unicorns
billionaires.
are exceptions. Let me
Yes,
repeat, unicorns are exceptions. If you are
correct,
looking at a unicorn or a billionaire or a $1 billion, $1 trillion company and getting inspired, you're getting inspired by wrong things.
correct,
90% of the startups fail, 90% in first 3 years, 95 to 97 in first 5 years. 0.5% startups raise institutional capital,
okay,
0.5%, एंड उसके बाद जाके उसमें से कोई यूनिकॉर्न निकलता है। आप नंबर गिन लो कितना होगा।
correct.
यूनिकॉर्न्स आर एक्सेप्शंस। इफ आई से कि अच्छा आई वांट टू बी विजय शेखर शर्मा और रितेश अग्रवाल और जुकरबर्ग और स्टीव जॉब्स, आई एम फूलिंग माई सेल्फ।
True.
I will give you another example. There was some clubhouse panel I was sitting on yesterday, and there was this girl who wanted some advice on some food tech concept.
Okay,
I was like, if you're doing it traditionally, you can get debt capital, working loan, you can run this business, fantastic business. Trading का धंधा है, इंडिया में 100 साल से हो रहा है, 500 साल से इंडिया में ट्रेडिंग होती है। इंडिया तो इज
right,
अ लैंड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स। ठीक है।
right, right.
हम तब धंधे वाले, धन्ना से बिजनेसमैन बोलते थे। वी आर अ लैंड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स। हमने वर्ल्ड लेवल के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनाए। वी हैव लाइक्स ऑफ टाटास एंड बिरलास यार, मतलब
Yes, yes, yes.
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज नॉट न्यू टू आवर कंट्री, राइट? If you are building a modern world, over the shelf, D2C, फूड टेक ब्रांड, तो बॉल गेम
Correct,
चेंज हो जाएगा आपका। ठीक है।
right.
मगर आप अगर ये भी कर लोगे,
Hmm.
ओवर द काउंटर, ओवर द शेल्फ, D2C बिजनेस, फूड टेक बिजनेस टाइप भी आप बिल्ड कर लोगे, दिस विल नॉट बिकम अ $1 billion कंपनी। सो बी ओके विद इट। It will become a fantastically big company, it will become $1 million company, it will become such a large company, but it will not become a $1 billion company. So don't
Other company.
go with it that way. This is one example I want to thought I'll say, so it will add value to people who are listening, because my only point is कि आपको समझना पड़ेगा आप बिजनेस क्यों कर रहे हो, किस डायरेक्शन लेके जा रहे हो, आपके गोल्स एंड टारगेट्स क्या हैं, है ना?
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
So next, moving on to a very personal level question, or I personally felt this particular thing myself as well as being an entrepreneur, and I think a lot of people have also faced it, or the young entrepreneurs who have started at their journey, they must have also faced it. So when you start after a college, just after right after your college, so there's this thing that happens that a lot of your friends or the people you are surrounded with every time have taken their jobs and they're doing well in their jobs, they're earning every day, and you are just it's been 2 years, you are running your startup, you are for the first year you haven't even withdrawn your salary, for the second year you are just withdrawing like 5-10,000 rupees a month just to pay your expenses and survive in the market. And on the other hand, your friends are doing a lot of good stuff, going out for vacations. So at this point you just feel like, okay, I should give up on startup, because sometimes happens that things doesn't work. It's a very uncertain journey, sometimes it is up, sometimes it is down.
Right.
So in the downfall we think that, okay, I should give up on this thing because I'm not smart enough. Again, quoting onto the same thing, so we think that we are a young entrepreneurs, so we should be smart like Mark Zuckerberg or Ritesh Agarwal. So there comes a self doubt, right? I'm not smart enough like Mark Zuckerberg. He went to Harvard, so he was able to make it. So
Hmm.
there are this personal thing that self doubt comes in, and if you see your friends doing well in their job, so you think that, okay, I should go for a job at this point. So how to deal with these things when these things comes up, and how to go ahead with, in such situations?
Okay. So see, again, it's a great question. I'll break into three parts for you, and
Okay.
let me dumb it down for the audience, right? So number one, as far as smartness is concerned,
Hmm.
everybody is smart. I have never found an idiot in my life. You might be in the wrong place at the wrong time or in the wrong room.
Okay.
So everybody is good at something. The problem is they're doing something galat. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई ट्रेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आई टेल देम कि अच्छा जो बोलने में सबसे अच्छा है उसको पिचिंग करने भेजो, बट सीईओ का ईगो आ जाता है कि नहीं मैं सीईओ तो मैं पिच करूंगा.
Correct. Correct.
Some
Correct.
other way around also. I am a founder of the company, but I'm a product guy. So I'll build the product and I'll not do the marketing. I think I can do marketing, which is the wrong thing. So वो जो हमारा पैरामीटर है ना वो है ही गलत. आई कैन टेल यू प्रणय, आई हैव नेवर एवर फाउंड अ पर्सन. हाँ, व्हेन आई से दिस, इसको डोंट लेट इट गो टू योर हेड. डोंट थिंक आई एम द स्मार्टेस्ट गाय. स्मार्टेस्ट भी नहीं होना, बट इडियट भी नहीं होता. कोई 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 बुद्धू नहीं होता. ठीक है, एवरीबडी
Okay.
इज स्मार्ट, एवरीबडी इज इंटेलिजेंट. वो जो बेसिक कॉमन सेंस होता है ना, वो ऊपर वाला आपको देके भेजता है. आप चाहे गांव में हो, चाहे अनपढ़ हो, चाहे गंवार हो, चाहे पीएचडी स्कॉलर हो, दैट बेसिक इंटेलिजेंस हैज बीन गॉड गिफ्टेड टू एवरीबडी. So you understand the basic stuff, and life is all about very basic stuff, and then you build on top of things, right? So everybody is smart. The only reason why things are not working out for you or things are not happening for you because you are trying to do something wrong. ठीक है, नंबर वन. सो डोंट लिव अंडर दिस थिंग और डोंट फील दिस कि मैं स्मार्ट नहीं हूं. तुमने सही चीज सही जगह पे सही चीज नहीं करी शायद, या तुम गलत जगह पे हो इसलिए तुम स्मार्ट नहीं, या तुम गलत चीज से इंस्पायर होकर गलत डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हो. बी ओरिजिनल, फिगर आउट योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड प्ले ऑन इट, एंड यू विल सक्सीड फॉर श्योर इन वॉट एवर शेप एंड फॉर्म यू आर. वेदर आपको ऑन्टरप्रनर बनना है, या बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर बनना है, या क्रिकेटर बनना है, या सिंगर बनना है, या यूट्यूबर बनना है, टिकटॉकर बनना है, फिगर आउट योर
Hmm.
स्ट्रेंथ एंड बिल्ड ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू क्रैक इट. बट हाँ, टाइम लगेगा, वो अलग बात है. सेकेंड जो है, ये कैसे मोटिवेटेड, कैसे इंस्पायर रखते हैं अपने आप को, या कैसे उसको कॉम्बैट करते हैं उस फील को. तो I'll give you an example, or rather I'll give you a strategy for this. So number one, एक तो it will be very easy for you to combat it if your, as I said, if your goal, if your strategy, if your milestone, if your KPI, if your mission is clear, right? Because then you will be mission driven and not driven by the external factors.
Correct.
You
Correct.
see, if I am happy in my own zone, it doesn't matter what's happening in the world.
Correct.
To be happy and contented in your own zone will take a lot of time, right? So it will take me a lot of time, lot of stability, lot of mental strength, lot of conviction on what I do, lot of belief in what I do, to figure out कि अच्छा मैं जो कर रहा हूँ मैं ठीक कर रहा हूँ. And of course you
Okay.
keep on taking feedback, and आप लोगों से बात करते रहो, feedback लेते रहो. सेल्फ एनालिसिस भी करते रहो, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं कि बस मैं ही कर रहा हूँ, वही 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 काउंटर टू फर्स्ट है कि मैंने कर दिया, मुझे पता है क्या कर दिया, राइट? तो आप फीडबैक चैनल्स बनाओ अपने लिए, फीडबैक लेते रहो, बट if you're clear at that macro level thing, if you're clear with the overall path, आप कर लोगे, आपको बाहर की चीजें बॉदर नहीं करेंगी, ठीक है? अब आता है तीसरा पॉइंट, विच इज मोर प्रैक्टिकल। क्या यार बुरा तो लगता ही है ना,
हाँ
मेरा दोस्त ने गाड़ी खरीदा। सो आई गिव एन एग्जांपल, जब मैंने मेरी पहली कंपनी चालू करी थी, सो आई गिव यू अ बैकग्राउंड ऑन दिस, राइट? A few of my friends, and I was one of them when we started preparing, we prepared for GRE and TOEFL back in 2009 and 10.
ओके
And a few of my friends left for US. मेरे को भी 4 एडमिशन आ गए थे उस टाइम पर फ्रॉम बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज, बट मेरा कंपनी चल चुका था. आई डिड नॉट लीव. दैट कंपनी इवेंचुअली फेल्ड आफ्टर 3 or 4 years.
ओके
ठीक है? By the time my company was failing, my friends had already passed out from the university because वो लोग मास्टर्स करने गए थे. I was already a graduate. They had already purchased their first car. In fact, one of my friends bought the first car as BMW. मेरे पास आज
ओके
भी उसकी मैं डाउन पेमेंट दे दूं उतने पैसे भी नहीं है. ठीक है? तो and after 10 years now, almost all my friends who went to US have got their cars, have almost settled down, have purchased their homes also in US.
ओके
And they're not coming, I can assure you they're not coming back, they have settled there. I'll tell you the counter flip to it. Okay? And
ओके
when I say this, one of my friend is working in Facebook, one of my friend is working in Google, a couple of other, one of them is working with Walmart, and they're pretty decently settled, making good money, right? INR में करोड़ों में पैकेज है उनका, ठीक है? अब
राइट
आप कन्वर्जन करके देख लो.
या
But I can assure you, if you genuinely love what you do, if you genuinely believe what you do, if you genuinely are doing good work, people will recognize it. Today, 6th of June 2021, I was on the jury of National Startup Awards second time in a row.
ओके
Now, how do you get that? कुछ तो मैंने काम किया होगा शायद, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ
करेक्ट
तो मेहनत
करेक्ट
करी
करेक्ट
होगी, कुछ तो काम किया होगा. I am able to run a YouTube channel where I'm able to build my personal brand. People follow me. People invite me to colleges. People invite me to corporates, organizations to give a talk and give lectures and stuff. I'm already on the board of a couple of academic institutions as an advisor. Right?
ओके
I get an opportunity for photo ops or article paper में आता है कभी कभी. Right? Now my friends feel very proud of what I have done. Those friends. So, and it's the other way around also. I feel so proud when I see my friends doing amazing work out there.
राइट
और ये
राइट
सब मेरे बचपन के दोस्त हैं, ये स्कूल में हम साथ पढ़े, फिर कॉलेज में साथ पढ़े, बचपन के दोस्त हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी हेल्दी कंपैरिजन, कंपटीशन नहीं बोलूंगा, दैट आई फील प्राउड ऑन व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, कि भाई गूगल में जॉब क्रैक कर ली, मजा आ गया. और गूगल के कॉल सेंटर में नहीं, गूगल में इंजीनियर लगाया वो दोस्त मेरा कैलिफोर्निया में. ठीक है? फेसबुक में, बे एरिया में मेरी फ्रेंड फेसबुक में है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी कॉल सेंटर में कोई छोटी मोटी पोजीशन में. दीज आर इंजीनियर्स, दीज आर कोडर्स, दीज आर टेकीज, राइट?
राइट राइट
करोड़ों में पैकेज इन लोगों का. एंड इट्स द अदर वे अराउंड, द अप्रिसिएशन इज अदर वे अराउंड. सो पहले
राइट
तो अच्छे दोस्त बनाओ. ठीक है?
यस एग्जैक्टली
सबसे पहले तो अच्छे अच्छे दोस्त बनाओ, क्योंकि अच्छे दोस्तों से जब आप म्यूचुअल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रखते हो, आपको वो कभी भी वो फील नहीं होता कि अरे यार मैं पीछे रह गया, राइट? एंड सेकेंड, ऑफ कोर्स, जब आपको बुरा लगता है तो फिर आपको जो बिगर मिशन विजन है वो आपको कंट्रोल करता है. एंड थर्ड एंड प्रैक्टिकल एडवाइस फॉर एवरीबडी, कुछ ना कुछ देखो, इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म गेम. बिल्डिंग अ स्टार्टअप इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म गेम. इवेंचुअली यू विल मेक मनी, इवेंचुअली यू विल बिकम फेमस, इवेंचुअली द कंपाउंडिंग विल किक इन. जॉब में या आपका करियर में ऐसे लीनियर ग्राफ जाता है, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में ऐसे जाता है सीधा हॉकी स्टिक कर्व. ठीक है? तो एकदम से फटेगा वो, जो सब बोलते हैं कि एकदम से आप फेमस होते हो. वो ओवरनाइट फेमस के पीछे 10 साल की मेहनत होती है, वो एकदम से होते हो आप, एक दिन में हो जाते हो आप. ठीक है? हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेटेजी इन प्लेस, right? Now what can be that strategy? If you are not able to make money from your company, which is very practical because your company is not making money, do some sort of a part-time job. आज की डेट में, because of the internet, right? And when I say not even just in the pandemic, Rewind 5 or 6 years back. If you are really good at something, you can always do that and make money. तो आप 9 to 5 अपना स्टार्टअप चलाओ प्रॉपर डिसिप्लिन के साथ, 9 to 6 चलाओ, 8 to 6 चलाओ, post 6 you do copywriting, you do graphic designing, you pick up consulting projects, hustle करो थोड़ा सा, contact लगाओ, जुगाड़ करो, side projects करो. I will not take any names. I have met best of the best of the best founders on from India. $1 billion के जिनके स्टार्टअप चल रहे हैं, जानकार लोग हैं सारे मेरे ये. उन लोगों ने भी यही बात बोली है. या तो $1 million कंपनी बना ली एंड $1 million hundreds of millions of dollars, $1 billion कंपनी बना ली, बेच दी $1 million में. एंड दैट लाइक कि दिलनवाज शुरू के 2 साल 3 साल में पता है क्या करते थे, दिन में कंपनी चलाते थे, फिर 2 लड़के रखे हुए थे 20,000 की तनख्वाह पे, ठीक है. उनकी तनख्वाह कैसा थी, तो मैं शाम को बैठ के मैं कोडिंग करता था, मैं साइड प्रोजेक्ट उठा के लाता था, और मैं भी क्योंकि मेरे घर में रहता था तो माँ बाप खाना तो खिला देते तो तकलीफ नहीं थी, तो माँ बाप खाना देते थे, खर्चा कुछ होता नहीं था, ज्यादा खर्चे वर्चे पाल नहीं रखे थे, और मैं बैठ के रात को कोड लिखता था, जो वहां से कंसल्टिंग का पैसा था मैं इनको देता, तो मेरी तनख्वाह निकल जाती थी. दीज आर वेरी स्मार्ट हैक्स पीपल कैन डू. अब तुम अगर ये हसल भी नहीं कर सकते अपनी कंपनी बनाने के लिए, तो फिर कैसे क्या क्या करोगे? और बिल्ड अ रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम और क्रिएट अ पैरेलल मॉडल. तो अगर आप एक टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी हो, आप एक सर्विस स्ट्रीम पैरेलली खोल सकते हो पार्ट टाइम के लिए. अगर आप एक टेक्निकल गाय हो, आप कंसल्टिंग स्ट्रीम पार्ट टाइम खोल सकते हो. सो यू डू दिस जुगाड़, यू डू दिस शॉर्ट टर्म जुगाड़, विच इज अ वेरी इफेक्टिव मॉडल ऑफ सर्वाइविंग. देखो यार, वो तो कहानी है ही ना कि भूखे पेट भजन नहीं होते. You can't build $1 billion company with ₹0 in your bank account.
करेक्ट
वो तो
करेक्ट
नहीं
करेक्ट.
होगा. वो तो $1 billion सपना देखने के लिए कुछ तो तुमको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना ही पड़ेगा ना दोस्त,
इन्वेस्टमेंट करना ही पड़ेगा.
करना ही पड़ेगा.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो तीनों चीजें हैं. आप कुछ ना कुछ आप करो, थोड़ा सा फाइनेंस अपना इन प्लेस रखो, उसके लिए साइड हसल करो, जुगाड़ करो, प्रोजेक्ट उठाओ, कंसल्टिंग करो, जहां से पैसा आ रहा है उठा लो. शुरू का 2 साल सब कुछ तामझाम करके देखो. मेक श्योर यू सर्वाइव. I'm sure once you survive those initial 2 to 3 years, you will start making money. अब 3 साल में भी तुम्हारी फंडिंग नहीं हो रही है, 3 साल में तुम्हारा बिजनेस मॉडल किक इन नहीं हो रहा, तो फिर तो तुम क्या ही कंपनी चला रहे हो.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो मतलब इट्स अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल थिंग. Either you will get funded in first 3 years or 4 years for that matter, or if you don't get funded, some sort of a revenue model will kick in, which will at least make things survive. और 1 से 2 साल लगता है बिजनेस मॉडल वैलिडेशन में. ये जो लगता है लोगों के कल कंपनी खोलूंगा, परसों बिजनेस मॉडल आ जाएगा, तरसों क्लाइंट आ जाएगा, और 6 महीने में तो 100 करोड़ की फंडिंग हो जाएगी, वो नहीं होता प्रैक्टिकली. तो एक वो है. दूसरा ये है कि यू हैव टू बी इंस्पायर्ड, यू हैव टू बी मोटिवेटेड बाय योर ओन बिगर गोल. एंड थर्ड, डोंट लुक एट फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द नेगेटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. लोगों के साथ प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है, मैं बताता हूँ. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों से बात भी करी है. लोगों के साथ प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है. आई मीट सो मेनी गाइज जिनको जॉब छोड़ के वो करना है, स्टार्टअप करना है, ठीक है. एंड माय एडवाइस इज कि यार जॉब कर ले, करता रहे, 2 साल तक चुपचाप अपना सर झुका के महीने के 10,000 रुपए जोड़. द आइडिया इज, एंड द लॉजिक इज, अगेन इट्स वेरी लॉजिकल, at least have 6 months of saving in your bank account before you jump and start full time. एंड देखो, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं स्टार्टअप पार्ट टाइम कर सकते हो, नहीं कर सकते. आई आल्सो टेल यू एंड लेट मी यूज दिस प्लेटफॉर्म टू एड्रेस दिस. सी द प्रॉब्लम विद पार्ट टाइम स्टार्टअप इज दैट नंबर 1, यू विल बी इन डायरेक्ट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट विद योर कंपनी. ये लोग नहीं बात करते इस बारे में, राइट? if I start up tomorrow, or if my employee start up tomorrow, if he's almost in the similar sector, he's into direct breach of contract, I can sue him.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
उसकी लग जाएगी. तो पहला. दूसरा, जब तुम खुद कोई चीज पार्ट टाइम कर रहे हो, why will a client trust you? Why will an investor trust you? Why will anybody trust you? जब तुम्हारा खुद का, when you are not 100% committed,
करेक्ट.
why will somebody else put his or her bet on you? अदर वे राउंड होता है. आप स्टार्टअप फुल टाइम करो, कंसल्टिंग पार्ट टाइम करो, वो चलता है. आप जॉब फुल टाइम करो, स्टार्टअप पार्ट टाइम करो, वो नहीं चलता,
नहीं चलेगा.
वो गलत भी है. सो द ओनली थिंग इज, आप ये सारी चीजें इन प्लेस करो, ठीक है. सो आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट टिप. सो 6 महीने का आप बेसिक पैसा बैंक अकाउंट में रखो, ठीक है. अब ये 6 महीने का पैसा जमा कैसे होगा? 6 महीने तो आप ऐसा नहीं, खाना नहीं खाओगे, रेंट नहीं भरोगे. तो 6 महीने का पैसा जमा होगा 2 साल में. आप 10,000 रुपए, 5,000 रुपए हर महीने जोड़ोगे. 5,000 रुपए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12 is 60,000. 60,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 is 120. 120 का मतलब हो गया कि आपका 30,000 रुपए 35,000 रुपए महीने खर्च करने की कैपेसिटी है, 4 महीना है जब आप फुल टाइम
Correct.
कर सकते हो. वर्स्ट केस में यू कैन गो बैक टू द जॉब, राइट?
Correct.
पीपल डोंट हैव दिस पेशेंस फॉर 2 years. मुझे बोल दिया लड़कों ने आकर कि सर नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं, हिम्मत ही नहीं है इतनी, आई डोंट, 2 साल का पेशेंस भी नहीं है, यार दोस्त रहते हैं साथ में, नहीं कर पाऊंगा. एंड ये फंडामेंटल फ्लॉ है ये. सो कुछ नहीं कर सकते इसका. ये वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. अच्छा, स्टार्टअप बिल्ड करना कुछ लोगों के लिए प्लेजर या फन या एक्साइटमेंट होगा, बट कुछ लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये तपस्या है. ये
Yes,
जेन्युइनली एक
it's a
तपस्या है.
kind of a thing.
ये जेन्युइनली एक तपस्या है. आप तैयार नहीं हो इसके लिए तो आप नहीं कर सकते भाई.
Correct. Even as you said, sir, take your startup as full time and do for go for a part-time things and friends. You've talked about to have good friends. So I'm very fortunate in these terms because I myself felt that this particular thing because very close friends of mine who have been into job and they were doing really well. I was not doing well at that point of
Hmm.
time.
Hmm.
So most of the time I was feeling very proud of them actually because they are doing really well. We started on the same page, we started with the same organization working in, and I felt really proud of those things. But we are so open, we are so good at sharing things that when I felt this particular thing, so I did went to my friends and I talked about it. Okay, I'm feeling this. So they made me realize that why I started this particular thing. And
Right.
uh, I also follow this particular mental model of compounding. So compounding, I guess, as Einstein said, is
Yes.
the eighth wonder of
Eighth
the
wonder of
world.
the world. Yes.
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 So compounding really helps, and I just see whenever it's I something goes down, I see it as like compounding. So I find it as
Absolutely.
investment now. Whatever I do now, I find it as investment. I'll see that results will come after 10 years or 15 years down the line, and it will be big results actually. So
And
I see.
a- and just to add, just to let me take this opportunity to add this. If you don't have good friends, then go and be a, जो मैंने पहले बोला था, go and be a part of a couple of incubators and accelerator programs. You will
Exactly,
find like
exactly.
minded people. वो जो सेम स्ट्रगल से लोग निकल रहे हैं ना साथ में, जब वो साथ में जाएंगे ना एक साथ, तो चीजें अच्छी होंगी. You'll be able to balance it out. See, if
Correct,
you are with somebody who does not understand what mindset you're going through, I'm not sure how well they will be able to help you out.
correct,
That is the thing.
correct.
Go ahead.
Yes. So moving on to the next question. This questions happen with this thing happens with a lot of people actually. So
Mhm.
might have happened with you some time as well in your whole journey because I
Mhm.
guess you have been in the industry for 10 to 12 years, I guess, or
Almost
more.
10,
Yeah.
12 years. Yeah, 12 years.
Yeah. So being an entrepreneur, we it's a very uncertain journey. Firstly, like a lot of ups and downs. You don't give time to your relationships, family. Everything goes secondary when you're building something. And myself as well. So whenever I'm working on something which is very likely or very which is I'm very interested in, so I sometimes forget to drink water. I forget to take lunch as well. uh, I just stare into my screen and start doing things continuously for like 5 6 hours a day. So these things happen, and when you do this thing, not getting good sleep for a long period of time, so you get burnout at some point of time, right?
तो ये
Burnouts
तो लेट
happen.
मी लेट मी कट यू है, ये तो सारी अनहेल्दी हैबिट्स हैं, तो करना ही नहीं है. तो
Yes,
ये 6 घंटा बैठ के काम करना, खाना नहीं खाना टाइम से, सोना नहीं टाइम से, all of these are very very unhealthy habits. And if you look at every successful entrepreneur, again it's a very very cliched thing that they say, they sleep on time, they wake up on time, they work out, they eat good food. ठीक है. And when I say this, हाँ मेरा भी अभी because of lockdown, and I have been pretty consistent previous lockdown, but after that lockdown has happened, I haven't been able to go to a gym, I haven't been able to go to a walk much. Sleep schedule has changed a lot. But ये नहीं करना मतलब वो शुरू में अच्छा लगता है. I still remember in 2011 I used to write this quote on my Facebook, that there was a quote which says no all work and no play make Jacks a dull boy, something ऐसे करके है. तो I had a very stupid version of that. Okay, no sleep, all work and no sleep makes Jack a rich boy. but I later on realized that's a very stupid thing that I had in my mind. So I think this is very very unhealthy, and it's a very wrong way of uh, doing things. Uh, Work consistently for 8 hours a day over 5 days or 6 days a week, rather than working 20 days one day, 20 hours one day, and then sleeping for 20 hours another day, or feeling burnt out 20 hours
So
next day. ये नहीं करना चाहिए.
yes. So according to you guys, I guess taking burnouts or like tackling burnout is being consistent with your work and not doing one like doing 20 hours a day and then with unhealthy habits actually. So
So what's the question here? What do you want to understand
so
from me?
I the question is like how to deal with burnouts basically.
Okay. So see, number one, no matter who you are, no matter how strong you are, no matter uh, mentally what do you think about yourself, burnout is a very integral part of your journey. Whether you are an employee or an employer or a founder or a early stage startup founder or a $1 trillion company owner, burnouts will happen, right? Burnout is very simply put, your energy is gone, you're drained for the day, right? And
Right.
and I'll tell you one more thing. It is not just the physical energy. A lot of people think
Hmm.
energy is only physical. It's mental also. And in fact, there's something called as something called as decision fatigue. आप दिन में 10 डिसीजन या 5 डिसीजन ले सकते हो एक बार में. अब आप अपने डिसीजन इसमें खराब कर दोगे, खाना क्या खाना है और कपड़े क्या पहनने हैं, तो आपके वो 5 में से 2 गए, तो आपका
Correct.
वो 3 ही बच गए अब. तो आप जितना ज्यादा अपनी चीजों को ऑटोमेट कर पाओगे, जितना ज्यादा सिस्टम प्रोसेस इन प्लेस ला पाओगे, उतना ज्यादा बर्नआउट कम होगा, एक तो नंबर वन. बट बर्नआउट इवेंचुअली होगा. The way to combat is, of course, take care of your food, take care of your diet, take care of your nutrition, take care of your routine. uh, Having said that, and I'm sure कुछ लोग देखेंगे इस पे कमेंट भी आएगा, मैं नहीं फॉलो करता अभी फिलहाल. मेरा भी बर्नआउट, मेरा भी स्केड्यूल पूरा इधर उधर हुआ हुआ है. लेट मी एडमिट इट. I'm trying to make it better. I'm trying to make my timetable, and timetable to the level जैसे स्कूल में टाइम टेबल बनाते थे, मैंने बना लिया है वैसा. मैं फॉलो भी करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ उसको. बट द ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज कभी लॉकडाउन है. इट्स एक्सेप्शनल टाइम. वी हैवंट सीन सच अ टाइम इन आवर लाइफ,
Right.
राइट?
Right.
तो इस
Right.
इस टाइम को छोड़ दो. बट इसके अलावा, ठीक है, टाइम टेबल से चलो. अभी भी कोशिश करो कि आप थोड़ा सा अपना टाइम इस तरह से मैनेज करो कि चीजें अच्छे से चले, ठीक से चले, ऑर्डर में चले. ठीक है. सो कुछ कुछ बेसिक चीजें हैं. वर्कआउट हो गया, खाना हो गया, ठीक है, स्लीप हो
Hmm.
गया. उन सब का आप ध्यान रखो अपना. डेली की प्लानिंग करो. सो जैसे मैं कुछ चीजें करता हूँ, जैसे आई प्लान माई डेली गोल्स, आई प्लान माई वीकली गोल्स, आई प्लान माई मंथली गोल्स, देन वी हैव अ क्वार्टरली गोल, वी हैव अ एनुअल गोल. तो उस हिसाब से हम लोग चीजें बैक ट्रेस करते हैं. तो आप उसके हिसाब से काम करोगे तो वो यू विल burn out less. And then
Okay.
when you burn out, have a time for recovery. So आप एक दिन का ब्रेक ले सकते हो, आप 2 दिन का ब्रेक ले सकते हो. कुछ लोग संडे को ब्रेक लेते हैं, ठीक है.
Hmm.
कुछ लोग दिन में जो बाकी 4 घंटा है वहां ब्रेक लेते हैं. तो इधर यू मेडिटेट, यू वर्कआउट, यू गो फॉर अ वॉक, बुक पढ़ लो, नेटफ्लिक्स देख लो बैठ के. अब वो बात अलग है कि एक दिन 20 घंटा काम किया, अगले दिन 20 घंटा नेटफ्लिक्स देखा, वो नहीं चलता. ठीक है.
Exactly.
जैसे आई मेक श्योर कि गलत गंदी आदत है बट बता देता हूँ. आई मेक श्योर कि जब मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ तो बैठ के कुछ देखूं साथ में, जस्ट टू रिलैक्स आउट कंप्लीटली.
I
ठीक
I
है.
also I also do the same thing.
हाँ, बट मैं कोशिश करता हूँ उसके आगे पीछे मैं ज्यादा नहीं देखूं. सो मैं से कोई एडिक्शन नहीं मुझे वेब सीरीज का. इनफैक्ट आई डोंट लाइक वाचिंग वेब सीरीज बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम इज के वेब सीरीज आर डिजाइन्ड विद द क्लिफ हैंगर इफेक्ट, डोपामिन इफेक्ट, कि आपको अगला देखना ही पड़ेगा. एंड देन यू डोंट रियलाइज यू वेस्ट 10 hours of your time and you watch overnight, binge watch, which is very wrong. So binging is a bad habit. Don't do that. So that is all I
So
think I can.
would like to add one thing to it. So as you talked about Netflix and all these things, so personal growth thing that I help people with it. So basically, what I do is as you said, that you watch Netflix when you are having food or something. So I also
Netflix,
do,
YouTube, कुछ भी, anything to
yeah,
lighten my mood,
anything.
anything to chill around. हाँ.
Exactly. Exactly. So this is the one time that I watch, and the another thing that I do or watch Netflix is 1 or 1.5 hour before sleeping. So let's say
Hmm.
for example, I'm going to sleep at 1 or something. So 11:30 or something, I'll start watching Netflix. And why I watch this, I tell you that these things, a lot of characters have in there who can teach you a lot of things like communication, leadership. So I don't see Netflix as an entertainment, but I see it as as entertainment plus learning thing. And I've
Hmm.
also written a book on the same thing. It's called What Can I
Acha.
Learn? So yeah,
Okay.
so it's a basic booklet that I've written on these particular thing that you can do on daily basis, like scrolling through Instagram, watching YouTube,
Right.
watching Netflix. So we think that we are just
Hmm.
spending a lot of times on
Hmm.
these apps,
Hmm.
but you can
Hmm.
actually be productive while and learn
Hmm.
something while spending time on these apps, because in
Hmm.
Instagram you see a
Hmm.
lot of creators are creating content related to finance, personal finance, personal growth,
Hmm.
giving tips on resumes, how to write resumes. A lot
Hmm.
of things
Hmm.
are there. Even YouTube,
Right.
there are so many content creators who are giving quality content, like Tanmay Bhatt doing this clueless about money thing, and
Right.
you as well.
Absolutely.
Even your videos I've seen, they have given me a lot of clarity in what I'm doing. So this is what I think. So spending time on YouTube or spending time on Instagram, I don't think if you are following right people, you're not wasting it. You are just exactly, we are just learning a lot of things from there.
I think Pranay, you have nailed the point here. I think you have articulated in a very nice manner. Social media is a fantastic place if you follow the right people. अगर
Correct.
तुम्हें वही गंद में जाके गिरना है और कमेंटबाजी करनी है, then you will be there only. But if you use social media to learn, whether it is Netflix, whether it is YouTube, whether it is Twitter, whether it is Facebook, whether it is Clubhouse for that matter, मतलब I have become super active on Clubhouse from quite a few days. मैं 2-2 3 3 घंटा बिताता हूँ Clubhouse के ऊपर. मेरी Clubhouse की फॉलोइंग, मेरे Instagram की फॉलोइंग, मेरी LinkedIn की फॉलोइंग बढ़ने लग गई है रेलेवेंट लोगों के साथ,
Correct.
राइट?
Correct.
एंड जहां पर क्लब हाउस पे देर आर डेटिंग रूम्स विच आर हैपनिंग, देर आर पॉलिटिकल रूम्स विच आर हैपनिंग, देर ट्रोल्स विच आर देयर. If you go to a right room, all my rooms I've been there, they have been startup guys. I'm hosting 3 rooms a week on Clubhouse, and I cannot tell you, people admire the effort so much. They're like, Dilnawaz, you are doing fantastic job, you are changing our life, because
Correct.
it is pure work related discussion. आओ networking करो, काम की बात करो, ये करो वो करो. People like, हम 10 दिन से क्लब हाउस में बैठे हैं, 1 महीने से क्लब हाउस में बैठे हैं, हमें ऐसा रूम नहीं मिला. सो
Exactly. Exactly.
इट्स सोशल मीडिया द टूल. अब वो हथौड़ा है, तुम दीवार में कील ठोक लो, किसी का सर फोड़ दो, वो तुम्हारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. सोशल मीडिया द
Exactly.
टूल. नेवर एवर ब्लेम अ प्लेटफॉर्म. नेवर एवर
Exactly.
ब्लेम अ प्लेटफॉर्म. या.
that
या.
that is what I put it in the book. So how you can
Absolutely.
develop yourself
Agree.
and all these things.
Do send me a
So
copy of your book. I would love to read it. I would love to
sure,
have a look
sure.
at it.
I'll I'll I'll
Do send me.
I'll definitely. So coming to the last question of this podcast, and
Sure.
this is a very
Sure.
personal question for myself as well, because as this particular podcast is focusing on personal growth and growing
Right.
yourself. So for me as well, and I think for a lot of people, running a startup is a journey of self discovery. So when you're running a startup, you discover a lot of things about yourself, your emotions,
Good and
a
bad
lot of.
both. Good and bad both.
Yes, exactly, exactly. So it's a
डिस्कवर बैड अर्ली. पहले जल्दी, पहले ये पता करो तुम्हें क्या नहीं आता और तुम किस में बुरे हो. वो बहुत अच्छी डिस्कवरी है. जल्दी, जितना जल्दी पता लग जाएगा उतना बढ़िया रहेगा. ठीक है. हाँ.
exactly, exactly.
कंटिन्यू.
So
सॉरी. हाँ.
I have discovered a lot of things good and bad about me as well, and I hope I think that you must have discovered as well. So my question specifically is that how this whole startup journey has helped you in your personal growth and helped you grow professionally as well. So how did it help you? This whole spending whole 8 to 10 years or 10 to 12 years in the startup ecosystem, and how did it help you your startup journey?
So I think personally, professionally, so I can't even tell you how much it has helped me. It has made me a different person altogether. I have been always an achiever since my school, right from winning the student of the year to being the house captain for a couple of years to being the club president in my college, founding president rather of my club, computer club, to doing multiple things. I think I can't really tell you why, but I kind of was a motivated kid, or a a kid who used to kind of get things done. थोड़ा मैं था वैसा मोटिवेटेड सा बचपन से, ठीक है, कि कुछ करना है, ठीक है, वो कुछ डिस्कवर होता गया विद टाइम, ठीक है, पहले इट वाज बास्केटबॉल, देन इट वाज कंप्यूटर्स, नाउ इट्स स्टार्टअप्स. सो वो सेल्फ डिस्कवरी चल रही है लगातार. आई एम श्योर आई विल डू इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म नाउ, बट मे बी हो सकता है कुछ सालों में बदल भी जाए. आई नेवर नो. इट्स अगेन, लाइफ इज अ जर्नी ऑफ सेल्फ डिस्कवरी. You figure out who you are as a person, and then eventually leave a legacy behind. Now प्रोफेशनली जो हेल्प की है, आई थिंक प्रोफेशनली में नॉट जस्ट दिस स्टार्टअप, प्रोफेशनली में my previous job in the startup oasis when I was there. So I'll just add this. A lot of people think that job कुछ सिखाती नहीं है. जॉब आपको हो सकता है स्टार्टअप के बारे में नहीं सिखाए, क्योंकि लोग कहते हैं कि जॉब करना जरूरी है क्या. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि अगर तुम जॉब में प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. एंड अगेन, इस पे मेरा एक वीडियो है, वो आई कैन टेल पीपल, बाद में जाके देख सकते हैं वो लोग. बट सबसे अच्छी बात ये, इफ यू आर इन अ जॉब ना, यू लर्न द बेसिक डिसिप्लिन ऑफ अ जॉब. स्टार्टअप इज ऑल्सो जॉब, एंड यू आर योर ओन एम्प्लॉई.
Right, correct, correct.
You are your own boss, you're your own employee. So job will teach you discipline. At least my job helped me in becoming a better entrepreneur, to be honest.
Okay.
I was a very shitty entrepreneur in my previous company. Let me tell you this to your friend. I was one of those guys who was lazy. I was one of those guys who was moody. कि अच्छा आज मन किया तो कर लेंगे, नहीं तो नहीं करेंगे. आज सुबह 8
Hmm.
बजे तक काम कर रहे हैं, आज दो दिन लगातार बैठ के कोडिंग कर रहे हैं, 2 दिन छुट्टी बना ली. I was not a very good entrepreneur. Let me admit it upfront. So I have learned on the way. I've learned on the go, and a lot of things which made me disciplined came from my job, right? Whether it is uh, paperwork, documentation. That's just very very. आज मेरा documentation इतना बेहतरीन है कि मतलब टक्कर का है वो आज इंडस्ट्री लेवल पे. But people don't like making reports. I literally used to cry whenever boss used to tell me कि report बनाओ बैठकर. But later I realized that this is what the world runs on, paperwork.
Right.
So whether it is time management, whether it is discipline, whether it is work ethic, whether it is anything, I think my job helped me a lot in becoming the kind of entrepreneur I am. Also, I will give credit to my co-founder, Neha, जो कि मेरी co-founder है current company में. She's a CEO for this business.
Okay.
She has also taught me a lot of things and kept me in check. So वो जो मैंने जॉब में सीखा, वो अच्छी बात ये हुई कि यहाँ नहीं गया because of her. She has always kept me in check. She has kept me in check like अच्छा टाइम पे ऑफिस आओ, टाइम पे जाओ, accountability check basically. Right?
Right, right, right.
So I think these are the two things which have helped me professionally a lot. Personally, it has, I think, personally, startup has taught me to be much more patient, to me
Hmm.
uh, to be good from the temperament point of view. I have become matured. I have become more logical. I have become calmer as a person, patient as a person. I can now break down things into small problems and solve them. So मेरा logical thinking, problem solving ability वो बहुत improve हुआ है startup चलाते
Correct.
चलाते. Ability to deal with bad situations improve हुआ है. That if something suddenly happens, how do you deal with it? Because deal तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना तुमको.
Exactly,
So I
exactly.
think these are a few things that I've learned over a period of time, and I'm sure as I always say, I'm still in the learning phase. I learn everything. I learn every day rather. Saturdays जब मैं अपना show करता हूँ AMA with DNK, my idea is to learn or spend a day with myself, learn, relearn, and then give back what I know. So I think I've become a better entrepreneur over a period of time, and better person rather over a period of time with lot of qualities which I've tried to understood and learned. And it will take some time, but I think eventually you will realize. And just to add, generally entrepreneurship आपको uh, humble तो बना ही देगी, कुछ नहीं होगा तो, because आप
Yes,
इतने
it
धक्के खा
does.
चुके होते हो
It
कि
does.
अगर, so if you are an arrogant entrepreneur, there's something wrong with you. या तो आप
Yes. Correct.
entrepreneur नहीं हो, या आपने धक्के नहीं खाए, या तो मतलब आप फेक कर रहे हो. बिकॉज वंस यू बिकम एन entrepreneur, आप इतने धक्के खा चुके होते हो जब तक आप सक्सेसफुल होते हो, कि आपको पता लग जाता है कि यार ये चौड़ लेके ना कहीं जा नहीं सकते. सो
Exactly.
दैट
It
इज
it
इट. या
Yes, so it has been good, quite a self-discovery journey for me. I discovered a lot of things. Like I was not good at writing things when like 2 3 years back,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
that writing really helped me. I write blogs now. I've written a book as well. So
Hmm.
these are the things that I've been good, and personally, it has helped me a lot. Like being
Right.
patient with things, perseverance. So there are so many things that it helped me in developing my leadership skills. So I'm still developing, and to become a great leader, it takes a long time.
Sure. Sure.
At the same point, so you cannot become a great leader just by reading a book or 10 days ka course karke. You
Absolutely.
cannot become a great leader. So it takes time, and you need to understand these things. So at the first I was thinking of, okay, I'll read this book, I'll become a good leader, I'll be able to lead people good. But when you actually enter into the world, and then you learn that this is not how real situations work, so that makes you understand a lot of things. And yes, so
You you can't learn swimming without jumping into the pool. You can't learn entrepreneurship without running a startup. कितनी
right,
किताबें पढ़ लो, हाँ, आप पढ़ के क्या सीख सकते हो? तो मैं ये भी क्लियर करता हूँ, लोगों को लगता है कि पढ़ के नहीं सीख सकते। यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम मिस्टेक्स, यू कैन, वो जो शुरू का 3 साल का लर्निंग जर्नी होता है ना, द रीजन वाई स्टार्टेड माई यूट्यूब चैनल, आई स्टार्टेड गिविंग एवरीथिंग फॉर फ्री टू द वर्ल्ड, वो उसका रीजन यही था कि आई कैन रिड्यूस दैट 3 year to 1 year फॉर यू, आई कैन हेल्प
exactly,
यू सेव 2/3 ऑफ द टाइम, राइट?
right,
सो ऐसा नहीं है कोर्सेज आपको नहीं सिखा सकते, बुक्स
hmm,
आपको नहीं सिखा सकती, दे विल हेल्प यू रिड्यूस द टाइम, दे विल टेल यू कि अच्छा ये तो मिस्टेक करनी नहीं है,
right,
बट वो
right,
वो वो फिर भी, तो मैं हमेशा कोट बोलता हूं कि स्विमर बनने के लिए आपको समुंदर में कूदना पड़ेगा या पूल में कूदना पड़ेगा, बट
exactly,
ओलंपिक्स जीतने के लिए फ्लूइड डायनेमिक्स आना पड़ेगा भाई।
yes,
You
exactly,
can't win an Olympics without the combination of both. You need to know the science behind the game if you have to win the Olympics or win in the world. So entrepreneurship is science. It's not luck. It's not art. It's science. There's a method to the madness. You should know what's the method to the madness. If you know this, you will become a successful entrepreneur no matter what other circumstances.
exactly. So you just got me remember one of my teacher from 12th standard. So he used to say that uh, the fisherman who used to go for fishing in rivers, so they know good fluid dynamics than you, because वो लोग जब नाव लेके
Exactly.
चलते हैं तो उनको पता है कि किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, एंड तुमको नहीं पता है, इवन यू आर इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड एंड दे आर नॉट
एग्जैक्टली,
एजुकेटेड. So
एग्जैक्टली।
this this very good thing I remember today. So just one last thing, any advices you would like to give to the young entrepreneurs who are starting, or anything you would like to add in the end?
No advice in particular, just stay grounded, and try and work as hard as possible. I am a very firm believer of hustle hard and do what you love. uh, and the last bit is just hang in there. I think things will be okay. So just hang in there, because I think the entire podcast is advice. So I think we have
Yes,
already given enough advice to people. But the only thing is hustle hard, do what you love, just hang in there. That's it.
yeah.
That's the
So
method.
it was, yeah, it was having nice to have you here on the podcast, and
Same
it
here.
was a great
My pleasure.
conversation, I guess, because I personally learned a lot of things from you, and this one or 1.5 hour actually have been very productive from my today's whole day
Sure.
actually. So I've actually learned a lot of things. So, and yes, I'll link down all your handles to the description, and everyone who
Definitely.
is checking out, you can go up there and check out all the YouTube channels and Instagram and social media channels of Dilnawaz sir over there. And thank you so much, sir, for being on the Pranay Wankide show. It was a
My
pleasure having
pleasure,
you.
Pranay. My pleasure. Thank you so much for inviting me. It was such a pleasure. And one thing I can, as a conclusion, I can tell everybody, the biggest trait of an entrepreneur is persistence. And I am really thankful to you for being so persistent. I remember I get so many invites, podcast ka, iska, uska, but it is just that I am stuck and everybody is stuck in the world. And
Yes,
anything new is not a priority for people because they're already stuck.
correct.
I love the way you chased. आपने 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार पुश किया, मैसेज किया, कॉल किया, बात किया, and eventually then things materialized. So I really appreciate your effort. I am really, really thankful for being so persistent. And this is one thing people should learn from you, and that this is with every new entrepreneur, or with this is with everybody who's trying to be in the game. Persistence will take you places. If you are not persistent, folks, uh, एक बार में आपको जवाब देने के लिए कोई नहीं बैठा है, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So let's be very honest. So really appreciate your effort, Pranay, and eventually I'm so glad we are able to do it. And it's a pleasure, it's an honor that I have been a part of this, and I hope this helps a lot of people to build their own startup, and they get inspired and motivated and learn a lot of things from them. So thank you so much, and once again, all the best. Thank you so much, everybody.
Yeah. So until next time, guys, from Dilnawaz Khan and Pranay Wankide. So thank you for watching Pranay Wankide show. And yeah, that was it.
Thank you.
So